Lesson 3: Subtraction of Algebraic Expressions. Subtraction algebra has the same concept as addition algebra rule. You can only allow subtracting if the expression has alike terms or the same objects. Example 1. 5a subtract 3a, think a as an object. Just said, a stand for apple. Remember, in subtraction, you can only allow to remove if the objects are the same, or subtract alike terms. So we have got 5 apples, subtract 3 apples, will equal 2 apples, or 5a subtract 3a, equals 2a. Example 2. 5a subtract 3b, just said, a stand for apple and b for banana. Remember, you only allow to remove if the objects are the same, or alike terms, in subtraction. Then, 5 apples, subtract 3 bananas. Since apple and banana are not the same thing, or alike terms, you can't subtract them. So the answer will be the same as the question. Or 5a subtract 3b, equals 5a subtract 3b. Example 3. 5a subtract 2a subtract 3b, just said, a stand for apple and b for banana. Remember, you only allow to remove if the objects are the same, or alike terms, in subtraction. Then, we have 5 apples, subtract 2 apples, subtract 3 bananas. Since 5 apples and 2 apples is the same thing, this means we can subtract them, but 3 bananas is not the same thing, or alike terms. You can't subtract it. So the answer will be 3 apples subtract 3 bananas. Or 5a subtract 2a subtract 3b, equals 3a subtract 3b. Example 4. 5a subtract 2a, plus 3b subtract 2b. Just said, a stand for apple and b for banana. Remember, you only allow to remove if the objects are the same, or alike terms, in subtraction. Then, we have 5 apples, subtract 2 apples, plus 3 bananas subtract 2 bananas. Since 5 apples and 2 apples are alike terms, this means we can subtract or remove them. 3 bananas and 2 bananas are alike terms, we can subtract them. So the answer will be 3 apples plus 1 banana. Or 5a subtract 2a plus 3b subtract 2 bananas, will equal to 3a plus 1b, same as 3a plus b. More addition and subtraction of algebra. Example 1. 3bc plus 2bc. Remember, we can only add, or subtract, if the objects are alike terms. Let's say BC is banana chocolate ice cream. Since the objects are alike terms, we can plus them together. Then we have 3 banana chocolate ice cream plus 2 banana chocolate ice cream will equal to 5 banana chocolate ice cream, or 3bc plus 2bc equals 5bc. I want to mention an important point here. Let us take a look at the last example. 3bc plus 2bc. If this question changed to 3bc plus 2cb. Please remember, the objects are still the same, because they both have b and c, regardless which letter appears first. We can see that the ice cream still has the same flavors, regardless with flavor put on first. Example 2. 3bc subtract 2cb. Remember, we can only add, or subtract, if the objects are alike terms. Let's say BC is banana chocolate ice cream, and CB is chocolate banana ice cream. Note BC is the same as CB. Since the objects are alike terms, we can subtract them. Then we have 3 banana chocolate ice cream, subtract 2 chocolate banana ice cream, will equal to 1 banana chocolate ice cream, or 1 chocolate banana, or 3 BC subtract 2 CB equal 1 BC, or 1 CB, or BC or CB. Example 3. ABC plus 2A, BC, subtract A, BC, same as 1A, BC plus 2A, BC, subtract 1A, BC. Remember, we can only add, or subtract, if the objects are like terms. Let's say ABC is almond banana chocolate ice cream. Since the objects are alike terms, we can add or subtract them. Then we have 1 almond banana chocolate ice cream, plus 2 almond chocolate banana ice cream, subtract 1 almond banana chocolate ice cream will equal to 2 almond banana chocolate ice cream. Or ABC plus 2A, BC, subtract A, BC, will equal to 2A, BC.